channel. I'm Asha. Today we will unbox and review this Lego Friends Hair Salon. See? So now, the names of the characters in this set is Nina and Emma. This is a hair salon. And the number of the Lego Friends hair salon is 41391. The stuff. Oh, they have accessories and other wigs or other hair. We have a shampoo bottle or not. Oh, we have a coin. 5 is a coin. We have a pair of scissors, a brush. Here's Nina and this is Emma. Drapes, crown. This is for accessories. So guys, this is the outside of the box. This is Nina holding a pair of scissors. This is Emma holding a green magazine. This is the TV that a girl and a boy is holding some accessories. I don't know. I think it's accessories, right? Or it's makeup. And she can wash her hair. Ooh, this one is the shampoo bottle. Another diamond. So guys, are you ready to unbox this Lego Friends hair salon? Yeah! Let's go. Let's remove the tape on the other side. We have bag number 1 outside of the instructions. The instructions. This one, bag number 1 and bag number 2. Oh, we have stickers. Oh, it looks like the mirror piece. The mirror stickers. And let's put this box over here first. Guys, we have stickers. Stickers. We have the stickers. It's so cool. It's a mirror. Bag number 2 has the lamp of the store. Of the hair salon. The hair salon. And this is the parts of. Oh, there's Emma and Nina. Let's check first this one if there is anything new in this instructions. Okay, we have this one. Oh, right, we have new. Oh, Emma has a phone. It's just like the glamping, nature glamping that Mia has. But, ooh, look at, okay. This is the part of the store and stand. Here is Nina. Let's open bag number 1. This one, open. Okay, let's open. Put the plastic over here, plastic, yeah. Okay, now let's get to building about Nina and Emma. We have the smooth hair. There is Emma's hair. We need her head, need her hairpiece, her body. So cool. Okay, where is this? This skin looks like from Olivia's one. Okay, I think I'm complete. First, let's build Emma. So guys, I'll prepare first the bag number 1. With the blue. Parts all ready. Instructions. Ready? Are you ready to build?
Yes!
Bag number 1?
Yes!
Let's build! for building. I will show you the parts. Here it is. This is the same for the hair. This is the wig stand and the accessory stand. This is the stand for the tools. This is the perfume. This is the scissors. This is the hair dryer, and this is the brush, blue brush. This is Nina drying her hair over here, and this is Emma just sitting. Bag number 1 done. I already built the parts. Next, bag number 2. I'm gonna unbox first before I build. First, let's unbox. There. Next is to open this little bag. Oh, we have 2 bags. Okay, first is this bag. I'm gonna put it over here. There. Oh, there's a broom. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this later. Yeah. So guys, I already separated the parts of the bag number 2. Let's build. inside. Let's put them inside. Turn around. And ta-da! We have inside. Okay, now let's get Mia over here. There. Okay. And this, oh wait. Let's put first of all this over here. Her phone. She dropped it. At least she can put her phone over here. There. Now let's put Nina over here. Why this one is over like that? Okay, she's gonna first do this, and she's gonna watch this. She's gonna watch only Emma. Okay. There we go. There. Okay. Here's the accessory stand. Okay. She wants this or any accessory she wants. This is the TV. This is the sink for the hair. This is the chair with this one. And this is the stand for the things. This is a pair of scissors. This is the hair dryer. This is the brush, and this is the perfume. And Emma's over here, so she has a grape and this one a cookie. And Nina's here. Hey YouTube! If you enjoyed this video, please like and share and click the subscribe button to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Bye!